everyone, this is a recording for Lab 9, Rock Deformation. What you'll need for this lab is, first, a flat surface. This can be a tabletop, a desk, and it should be about 2 feet long and about 1 foot wide. A bed or a couch or a floor isn't going to work as well here. The next thing would be your course pack, and first of all, you're going to need Lab 9. Then you're also going to need a ruler with centimeters on it. It needs to be about 12 inches long, or the last page of your course pack actually has a scaled ruler in it that you can cut out or fold. And I'm pointing to the top part because that's the centimeter side, just in case you've forgotten. Finally, the last thing you're going to need is Lab 9 foam pieces, and these are in your lab kit. I guess I should say you're also going to need a pencil or some sort of writing implement.
We're getting set up with experiment A. It says take the 3 foam blocks so they're white side up and arrange them so they're all connected, including the blue river lining up across all 3 pieces. Here I'm going to shift it over to a side view or a cross section, as this is the way we're going to look at it most of the time, and we're going to get set for measuring the length here. We're going to zoom into the ruler so it's easier for you to measure, and I'll help you the first time. Notice the green arrow is pointing at 21.5 centimeters, so halfway in between 21 and 22.
You're going to measure the total length of your blocks aligned this way to the nearest 1/10 of a centimeter, or that's to 1 decimal point.
Now I'm getting set up for experiment B, faults made by pushing together. So I'm going to push in from the sides, and you're going to see hopefully the middle pop up a little bit. Now I'm going to turn the whole set of blocks to the side so you can have the side view.
I'm going to do the same thing with your blocks. Get them set up so they are pushed together and then set up so you can see them from the side, and you're going to measure the total length of the block. I have a hint for you here.
Going to get set up for experiment C, faults made by pulling apart. So I pulled the ends of the 2 blocks apart. You can see the block in the middle dropping down. I'm going to turn it to the side so you can see.
That as I'm arranging this, I am kind of manipulating it. So I want to make sure that all of the blocks are touching each other and that that middle block is dropped down. Okay, and then you'll want to do your measurement of the total length of the blocks.
Let's get set now for experiment D, the faults made by one side moving past the other. I'm going to push the middle block down. Oops, wrong way with the ruler. Here we go. Our last experiment is E, where we're making folds with the loose foam sheets. Hopefully you can see that my hands are pushing in towards each other as I make an anticline. And now I'm going to do the same thing but making a syncline. See if I can make both at once by pushing the sheets in together. Now I'm going to try to pull the sheets apart, and I can't make a fold.
Okay, that is the end of the video. Please go back and forth as you need and consult the instructions in the lab and let me know if you have questions.